Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Texas with Samuel, the channel where we discover amazing websites, useful apps, and latest tech tools to make your life easier. Have you ever dropped your phone, had your laptop stop working, or wanted to replace the battery but didn't know where to start? Instead of spending a fortune on repairs, there is a website that can guide you through the process step by step. It is called iFixit.com. And today I'm going to show you why millions of people trust the website. So let's dive in. iFixit is one of the most popular online repair community. It provides thousands of free repair guides for smartphones, laptops, tablets, gaming console, household appliances, cameras, and many other electronic devices. Whether you own an iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, MacBook, Dell laptop, PlayStation, Xbox, or even a coffee maker, there's a good chance you will find a detailed repair guide for it. The guides are written with clear instruction, high quality photos, and difficult rating, making it easier for beginners and experienced DIY enthusiasts alike. One of the best things about iFixit is its detailed step-by-step tutorials. Each guide tells you exactly what tools you will need, how difficult the repairs is, and approximately how long it should take. Another feature I really like is the troubleshooting section. Before opening your device, you can search for common symptoms and possible solutions to help identify the actual problem. iFixit also offers teardown articles where experts complete the assembly newly released smartphones, laptops, and gadgets. This teardown review what is inside the device and even provide a repairability score showing how easy or difficult it is to repair. If you are interested in technology, electronics, or simply learning how devices are built, this teardown is incredibly informative. Here are some reasons why iFixit is worth bookmarking. Thousands of free repair guides, easy to follow instructions with clear photos, repair information for a wide variety of devices, troubleshooting tips from a large repair community, helps you save money by repairing instead of replacing your devices, encourage suitable technology by reducing electronic waste. Whether you are a student, a gadget enthusiast, or someone who enjoys fixing things yourself, iFixit is an excellent resource to have. If you like to explore it yourself, simply visit www.ifixit.com and search for your devices. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Texas with Samuel, and share with friends and family. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace.